Hello YouTube friends. In this video I'm going to be showing you what variance is and also how to calculate it. So let's say we have the set of data 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 2 2 3 4 5 4 1 2 with 15 observations because we have 15 numbers. How would we find the variance? Well, firstly, what we could do is organize that data like this and then find the mean of the data. In this case, it's going to be 2.6. What we could do next is write down the numbers that exist in our set of data, excluding their frequencies. To make our calculation of the variance much easier, what we could do then is get each of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, subtract the mean from those numbers and then square the result like this. So for 1 minus 2.6 squared we'd get 2.56, and we'd do the same thing for the numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5. This would make the variance calculation much easier to do. With all these main tasks completed, we'd be ready to get the variance. Now when it comes to variance, the frequency at which the numbers in our set of data appear are crucial. Remember, when we were calculating the mean, we discovered that 1 appeared 3 times, 2 appeared 5 times, 3 appeared 3 times, 4 appeared 3 times, and 5 appeared once. So let's look at the data again. 1 appeared 3 times, 2 appeared 5 times, 3 appeared 3 times, and 4 appeared 3 times, and 5 appeared once. So we have these important results over here. 1 minus the mean squared is 2.56, and we've done this calculation for 2, 3, 4 and 5 as well. We also have the frequency at which each number in our set of data appears. Okay? Now with this information we can now find the variance. The variance would have to be 3 times 2.56 plus 5 times 0.36 plus 3 times 0.16 plus 3 times 1.96 plus 1 times 5.76 over the number of observations, which is 15. This is going to give us the result 21.6 over 15, which is 1.44. And this is the variance. What the variance simply is, in words, is the addition of each value in your set of data minus the mean squared divided by the number of observations that exist. When certain numbers appear more than once, you can use their frequencies to simplify the calculation, as shown in this video. So I hope that in this video I've demonstrated that the variance is not that hard to grasp. In a visual sense, variance is a bit similar to mean deviation. The distinction is, of course, with variance you are getting the squares of the differences, then dividing the result by the number of observations that exist. Also, the popular standard deviation is the square root of variance. If this video has been useful to you, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. There is more mathematics work coming up. If you want extra mathematics proofs, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.